Hello, surprise. It's me, one of my kids, sitting here on the stairs. We wanted to talk to you about the exciting news that we will have a buy one, get two free tomorrow. Plus, also, we're going to have some more BOGOs through the month. So we have this one tomorrow, and then next Tuesday we'll have another one, and the next Tuesday we'll have another one. So today, we're just going to talk about the BOGO, buy one, get two free for tomorrow, just to make sure you know. It's an awesome setup. I think these are three of our probably most used oils, and I plan on taking advantage of it because we need them constantly. So for example, I went to find these three oils to show you, and I had a hard time tracking them down because they were sort of all over the house. Two of them were in my clutch, and I'm going to show you this in a minute. But one of them I had to, my kids constantly are relocating it. This one more than the rest of them. So we had to find it. And I did, but I'm going to show you these three oils. The first of all, the deal is you buy one bottle of Frankincense Touch, which means a roller bottle of frankincense. That means it's diluted. It's ready for applying straight to your wound or your pain or your headache or whatever you need to use frankincense for. Maybe you are just anxious and emotional. Frankincense can help soothe all of those things. We use frankincense constantly. As a mom of 4 children and a wife and a business owner and all of those things, I turn to frankincense probably the most for my emotional support more than anything else that I use on a regular basis. It's something that just makes me feel really connected and spiritually just makes me feel like grounded, totally grounded. So we use frankincense like crazy. Can you think of something that you use frankincense for? No? Maybe boo-boos or no? You mainly, okay, all right, we'll skip that. But frankincense is actually mixed with lavender, and that's how we usually what we put on our boo-boos. But so you would get a frankincense roller, and tomorrow what you'll do is you'll just want to add this to your cart. You can get it on your loyalty rewards order and earn points and get your shipping credits and all of that. But when you put this in your cart, you'll automatically see that 2 more oils are added for completely free, which is an amazing deal. So the 2 that will be added, and you can see this is my clutch that I carry with me all the time because I never want to be caught without these oils. Frankincense is always in here. I try to keep Digestzen in here, but it got confiscated. Breathe is always in here. I'll tell you what else is in here. On Guard, Deep Blue, lavender, and then a roller bottle that I made that's from a book. It's really good. I can't remember what it's called, or I would tell you. And then also, of course, my drink coupons for Southwest. And I have some drops in here, some ginger drops, and some On Guard drops and that kind of thing. And so these are things that I never want to not have when I'm out and about. And we use this constantly. So if anyone ever gets a cut or a scrape, if anyone ever gets a burn, if whatever happens, we are just prepared. And I love these touch rollers. I actually was a little bit on the fence when they first came out because I thought I can make my own roller. That's not a big deal. But the convenience of these and these rollers are super nice, and they last for a really long time. See, it's got this nice stainless steel roller. I just love that I can get these straight from doTERRA and know that it's the perfect ratio of carrier oil and essential oil to get the best benefit. Okay, so frankincense, love it. The next oil that you would get for free if you buy that frankincense touch roller tomorrow is Breathe, which is amazing for respiratory stuff, any kind of respiratory stuff. So how do we use Breathe? Speak up.
You use it for like when you are having trouble like breathing.
Yeah, having trouble breathing. So like coughs, colds, sneezing a lot, that kind of thing. And we put it, where do we normally put it? Do you remember?
Your ears.
Around your ears. You can use it around your ears. It helps with drainage and stuff. On your chest, sort of where you'll get that, you'll breathe it in real deeply, and it gets right into your lungs and clears them out, opens them up, really good. So you can also use it on your feet. But I love having this tool. Abraham, who's now 3, when he was an infant, I know one of the scariest things is when they would stop breathing and you weren't quite sure how to help them, and we could just put this on his feet and know it was giving him tons of benefit and support and helping him clear out those lungs, clear out that nose when they're too young to blow their nose or you're not really quite sure what's going on. So much confidence in using these oils, these touch rollers, knowing that they're going to benefit them safely. Okay, so this is the lost Digestzen. You can see it's beat up. This is a beat up Digestzen. Oh, everybody's names just showed up. Hey, everybody. Hey, Hannah, Christy, Susan, Aubrey, Connie, welcome. I bet you're all excited about getting this BOGO. Raise your hand if you're excited about getting this BOGO. So Digestzen is amazing. I had to dig around and find it because it was in somebody's bedroom, because if anybody ever has a stomach ache, if anybody ever is just, you know, nauseated, maybe they ate too much dinner, maybe they need to poop, whatever the case may be, they can put this oil, and they know, where do you put this oil? On your stomach. Yes. You this roller just makes it super easy. I love it. And like I said, when you're driving around, I make sure I have this when we're traveling, because you never know when you're gonna eat something funny and it makes you feel bad. When you're in the car and somebody's getting car sick, just whatever might happen, it's really nice to have. This also can be really helpful for breaking up congestion. So it's another one that we keep around for the flu. I would say that this trio, or if you add it in On Guard, this is like your flu buster trio, right? I would not have a flu or a cold without these guys. Amazing for the immune system, amazing for dealing with all the symptoms that come along with those things. So I hope you're excited about these. I just feel totally confident with these tools on hand. I was saying in a video yesterday, frankincense is an enhancer. So having that frankincense touch so that you can just roll it on as needed, down the spine, on this place that hurts, whatever, helps you know that you're just boosting everything, your body, and also the other oils that you use in conjunction with it. So anyway, I'm real excited about this BOGO. Make sure you take advantage. If you need any help with it, let us know. But yeah, enjoy. I hope you're excited about this special thing that doTERRA decided to do for us. And Eliza's very excited. All right, have a great day.